Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. If you wanna check how to do factory reset using app, you can check a video at this channel. Now we will use a speaker to factory reset this speaker. Okay, so at the top we have access menu button. You need to press one time at this button and then move this knob at the top clockwise. Go to the settings and press on it. Now at the bottom we have factory reset, so we need to select it and click on it. Then move also this button to reset and click on it. Now it turn off and then turn on. Here we go, and it will ask to add language. So I select English, I just press it. If you want to another one, just move clockwise or counterclockwise and then press on selected language. So I have the application and I click installed. Here we go. Then we need to use the application to set up this speaker. And we need to open JBL ONE app. Okay, right here I already had this speaker here, and as you can see it automatically reconnected. But let's say you perform a factory reset and you haven't device in the application. Just give me a second and I will show you what to do. So I click again installed, and then I need to open the application. I remove the speaker from the application, and now as you can see it automatically found the speaker. So click connect, then press one time at the knob button at the top, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!